Today we received a radio frequency board from the customer. The bottom of this board is a pure gold surface and is used for shielding signals. We got this board first and supplied a 46-volt direct current. We need to temporarily treat this alligator clip with insulating electrical glue. Now there is already voltage on the PCBA, according to the files provided by the customer. We go to test the voltage points. First, we measure whether the voltage conversion from 46 volts of direct current to 5 volts is normal. The value we measure now is for 0.96 volts, which is within its tolerance range. For another test point, PD10 is VCC 3.3 volts, and the actual value we got is 3.9. It also passes. This one is 1.8 volts, and the measured value is 1.79 volts, which also passes. There are 3 crystal oscillators on the radio frequency board. How much is the oscillation frequency? An oscilloscope is needed. The acceptable range for the customer is plus or minus 0.3 volts, that is, between 700 mV and 1300 mV. Now it is 0.8 volts, which is also 800 mV. The oscillation frequency is 26 MHz. The measured value is 26.04 MHz. For the crystal oscillator here, its frequency is also 26 MHz. The VPP is 0.6 volts. All the test data meet the requirements of the customer's test file and can be sent for final inspection to check whether there are any appearance defects.
For more information, please follow FAST TURN PCBA to help you learn more. Thanks for your listening.